The SAMA Q70 360mm liquid cooler stands out with a sharp square liquid crystal display that can show real-time statistics or custom images clearly even through a glass side panel. Its liquid crystal polymer fans and fluid dynamic bearings move a strong amount of air while keeping noise levels pleasantly low, making this cooler easy to live with in a quiet room. The long aluminum radiator with dense fins offers cooling performance that comfortably handles modern multi-core processors under sustained gaming or content creation loads. A steady high-speed pump and reinforced tubing give this all-in-one unit reliable coolant flow and solid leak resistance without adding much extra noise. The Type-C daisy chain fan connections and included mounting hardware make installation cleaner and simpler than many competing 360mm units. Wide support for current Intel and AMD desktop sockets means this cooler is a practical choice for both new high-end builds and future upgrade paths.